This is a brand new 2014 BMW X5, a harmonious blend of luxury and style. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: comfort access, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.